Hello everyone! Draw So Easy Anime is here to teach you how to draw again, just in time for the sun. Another happy day. Help enthusiastic little fans to draw cute young ladies. First, when we color the face. Draw So Easy Anime chooses 370 for base, 366 to deepen the shadow. When rubbing eyeballs, it can be roughly divided into 3 steps. First, select 318 colors as a base. Don't forget to leave blank. When coloring the skirt, don't look at only one color. Just paint it on and you're done. Draw So Easy Anime uses number 3 color, large area to spread the fresh and tender little yellow. It looks bright and comfortable. When the background color is done, the Peking Opera Theater began to mix colors. How can a thin layer of small color to create a sense of light? Don't be shy about deepening. 179,226 color can be used after grading light and dark. Draw along the small folds of the skirt layer by layer. No matter how you paint it, you can't make a mistake. Finally, touch up the details. Talk about the biggest dream of the full moon when I was a child. Just a candy house. Close your eyes and take a bite. The supporting rows are all. Well, this is the end of this sharing. See you next time. Bye bye.